Hello, welcome to a new episode in the FLTK Rust series. In this episode, I'll be showing you the special characters that are recognized by FLTK to create special symbols. So if you go to the documentation of FLTK itself, you can find these in the label heading. These can be used as strings, which will generate these symbols here. So for example, I have this small application. So we only have a window and a button. We can basically just, for example, type circle and notice the @ symbol here. And it will give us a circle. And there's basically about 40 of these or something, and you can also give them some special formatting according to the docs here. So for example, you can change the size, increase it, decrease it, you can flip the symbol, you can rotate it. So let's try, for example, something here. So if we take the fat arrow, for example, so this looks like this. So let's make it a bit bigger. So we can use the plus and, for example, 5, and you can notice it became a bit bigger. We can rotate it. So to rotate, you can just give it a number. So let's say, for example, 2. Okay. If we try 1, it should be 45 degrees. Okay. And to flip it, for example, you can use the $sign. Okay. You can notice that we can change the color of the symbol itself using the set label color. There are other symbols that can be, or special characters that can be used with menu items. So for example, let's create a menu item here. So you can see this is a drop-down menu item. You can, for example, add stuff in it. So you can say, for example, choice, add item, I think, and hello. Or add choice. So we have these two choices here. You can use the, instead of creating these multiple calls, you can just say, for example, hello world, and the pipe sign will just give us multiple choices. So it's the same thing. You can add as much as you want. So you can also create submenus. So for example, using the /. You can use the and sign. Which basically underlines the word itself. So you can basically choose it using the Alt for example Alt W, and it will choose the word or the choice. So these are some of the special characters that are used by FLTK. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.